It is the 28th of September 2023. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, past week, not really any progress. Coming week, I anticipate I will. Oh, yes, pardon me. My batteries, my uh, lithium batteries for I think lithium for the Sun Founder arrived. I got 4 batteries. Uh, and so there was something, and I came to the meeting. Coming week, then I'm mostly want to clear my workspaces and you know kind of make space for me to do things and uh, get a routine where I can make progress every say every couple of days. And blocks are just too many things going on. I was away trying to camp. Didn't end up camping. Ended up staying at somebody's basement, and then coming home. And I'm also taking a class in Vancouver in martial arts. So just seeing if just what's going to work in, with time. And that's it for me.
Okay. Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Um, excuse me. Last week, I only got one thing done. I've got listed that I posted stand up. But you said it was my turn, so maybe that's wrong. I don't know, actually. Um,
Oh,
and I was at my part-time job and had occasion to listen to a bunch of mechanical engineers discussing hydraulics. And I've come away to the conclusion that not a whole lot of people really understand all of the ins and outs of hydraulics. So I think I'm going to see if I can go to take a course on hydraulics because I'm tired of relying on people whose memory is not so good to see if to analyze a hydraulic system. Anyway, um, that's nothing to do with WIKISPEED. That's just what I'm doing. So that'll probably happen next week. Next week, I've got a whole bunch of stuff that I want to do on Sunfounder and Ross and the knitting machine, but I'm not I'm not too hopeful because we're still doing stuff in the yard before it snows. So that is my block that we have stuff to do. And until the snow flies, I guess I'm not really going to have very much time, which is unfortunate. Anyway, back to you.
okay. Yeah, so I'm going to give myself a 5 because I did get to the post office and pick up my batteries. And the team, I'm going to go with a 8 anyway. And process improvement is to uh, actually, something I'm interested in is mobbing versus scrum,
Hmm.
because it seems to be that our founder maybe is moving away a bit from strict scrum. And so I'm kind of interested in that, and maybe that could be a topic to try and get people to come and have a talk by Joe about mobbing versus strict scrum. Uh, and back to you.
Okay. Let's see. I thought I got one out of two completed, but it looks more like I got 0 out of 2 completed. So I'm going to give myself 1 out of 10 because I basically didn't get anything done. Um, I'm going to say 7 for the team because we're still meeting and reporting. And process improvement. If you're looking for mob stuff, I can probably dig some stuff up for you. I'm listening to a couple of podcasts that deal with mob programming specifically, and how they use some of the Scrum stuff, but not a whole lot, and how the test-driven development is a really big part of what mobs seem to be doing. Maybe I'll try to get that done here this week as well. Back to you. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, I'm happy to go off. Why don't you end the recording?
Okay. Stop.